So good day everyone. I am Angelo Joshua Aragalindo, and today we're gonna go answer an activity switch itch in Cisco Network Academy in Module 7. This was deployed by our prof, Marlon J. Sahara. So now, let's go answer it, the one. So as you can see that there's a topology here, and here is a frame and a back table. First, to answer this question one, question two, we need to look at the frame. So what you can see in destination MAC or MAC is 0D. So first, you need to find the 0D in MAC table. If you see a 0D in MAC table, we can simply assume that in question 1, you should mark an FA7. We should FA7 or 4. And now, and now, look at the source MAC. First, look at the zeros C in MAC table. As you can see that if F85, you can see the 0 MAC table. So you don't need to actually check this switch adds the source MAC address, which is currently not in the address. So you don't need to check this. And then the only thing that we can check here is the frame, is the unicast frame that will be sent to a specific port only because it's sent to a specific port. It's not a broadcast because it's not sent in anything around here in any computer. So yeah, let's check. Yeah, and that's correct. So let's move forward in a new problem. So now we have a destination map OD. Since you can see that another again, let's try a new problem so to see a different one. So we'll see. We can see a destination map OE, which is not in the map table. Hmm. So you should look at the topology here, and we can see that the email with the arrow plus is a sender. So this OE means a flooded to all ports. So we can in question one, you should see the FA, the all ports that is connected to computer. While in F3, we don't need to actually check this because it's the sender. So in F5, we can proceed to F5, we can proceed check the F7 and F9. So now let's see a source MAC. So 0B, which is we can find in the MAC table, and we don't need actually to check this. And since, as I said earlier, the frame is a flooded to all ports, so we should check this. And I check, that's correct. And another one problem is we can try, oops, is kind of similar, but let's try a new problem. Hmm. So as you can see, it's kind of similar in the first problem, so let's try another one. So as you can see, it's FF, which is odd into a what we see so far, which is with, because the first letter we see is start with the zero and a letter, but this is FF. What does FF mean? It means it's broadcast. So now we can safely check this because FF means broadcast. And see, you should look at the topology here. You see that OD is connected to F space 7, meaning it's a receiver. Sorry, it's a sender. And then we can simply check F1, F3, F5, and as I said earlier, you don't need to actually check this sender and F9. So did you check? Yeah, and that's work. That's all. And thank you for